Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In a segment thick with big SUVs powered by V8 engines, the Sequoia stands apart for its standard V6 hybrid powertrain, a system that promises to save fuel without sacrificing performance. The 437 HP iForce Max powertrain is shared with the Tundra Hybrid pickup truck, as are the rest of the Sequoia's underpinnings, and it's stout enough to tow and haul with the best of them. The cabin is outfitted nicely with all the expected tech goodies, and its rear seats are spacious enough for kids to get comfortable. Hauling adults back there is a different story, as the third row is altogether too cramped. Cargo space behind the third row is limited too, and, unfortunately, dropping the rearmost seats to fit more stuff in the back is hindered by an uneven load floor with a high lift over height. Rivals such as the Chevy Tahoe and the Ford Expedition are simply more practical and versatile. But if what you're looking for is an extra-large SUV with hybrid power, the Sequoia is a good and your only choice. What's new for 2024? The limited Nightshade model joins the lineup for 2024 and comes with unique 20-inch TRD wheels painted in a matte black finish to match other blacked-out exterior appearance items. Platinum trims can now be had with the same TRD off-road package that was available on the Limited last year. The package adds an off-road suspension system with Bilstein shocks, a skid plate, an electronically controlled locking rear differential, off-road driving modes, a crawl control system, a hill descent control function, and a few specific appearance items. Limited models with the TRD off-road package now also come with a blacked-out exterior appearance. The price of the 2024 Toyota Sequoia starts at $63,125 and goes up to $80,960 depending on the trim and options. The limited trim appears to offer the best value in the lineup. Although it's only one step up from the base SR5, it comes with a host of additional goodies standard. Those items include a larger 14.0-inch touchscreen, a power lift gate, 20-inch wheels, heated and cooled front seats, and a power-folding third row. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Sequoia comes standard with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain that's optional in the Tundra pickup. This powertrain is comprised of a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine and an electric motor that produce a total of 437 HP and 583 pound-feet of torque. The Tundra's 10-speed automatic transmission carries over to the Sequoia SUV as well. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with four-wheel drive optional on most versions and standard on the off-road-oriented TRD Pro model. The four-wheel drive Sequoia Capstone we tested accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds and reached a quarter mile in 14.3 seconds at 94 miles per hour. That's quicker than the last GMC Yukon Denali we tested, but somewhat slower than the Ford Expedition Timberline. The TRD Pro also comes with off-road equipment such as upgraded Fox dampers, a front skid plate, a locking rear differential, and forged 18-inch wheels with 33-inch tires. During our initial test drive, we were pleased with the Sequoia's comfortable ride and quiet cabin, but less so with its on-road driving behavior. Its extra-wide feeling on the road makes it hard to place in a lane, something we've complained about in other large SUVs too, and its featherweight steering effort doesn't help. Its brake pedal also has an oddly squishy feel. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The new Sequoia's hybrid setup makes it significantly more efficient than the outgoing model. Rear-wheel drive models are EPA rated at 21 mpg city, 24 mpg highway, and 22 mpg combined. Opting for four-wheel drive drops those numbers a bit to 19 mpg city, 22 mpg highway, and 20 mpg combined. On our real-world 75 mph highway fuel economy test, our capstone test vehicle managed only 19 mpg. For more information about the Sequoia's fuel economy, interior, comfort, and cargo, the Sequoia's large interior continues in this new generation with a third row of seats as standard equipment. A second row bench setup with an 8-passenger capacity is standard, with optional second row captain's chairs reducing the number of seats to 7. Headroom is limited in both of the rear rows, particularly when equipped with the optional panoramic sunroof. With a wide range of trim levels available, the interior appointments run the gamut from plain to fancy, and include cloth and leather upholstery and varying levels of wood and chrome trim as you walk up the price ladder. Higher trim levels offer features like heated and cooled second row seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium stereo system. The Sequoia's cargo area isn't as accommodating as other rivals. However, with the rear seat in use, there's only 12 cubic feet of cargo space out back, and folding the third row down doesn't result in a flat load floor. Infotainment and connectivity. The old Sequoia's dated touchscreen setup has been swapped out for the large 14.0-inch touchscreen found in the Tundra. This screen comes standard on all but the base SR5 and will use Toyota's latest infotainment software, which offers all manner of smartphone mirroring and other. Well, that's all today. I hope you to like the video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.